How to convert a video into an audio track. Hello guys, welcome to ITeePK. In today's step-by-step tutorial on how to convert video file into audio track using VLC Media Player. Whether you are looking to extract music from a video or convert your favorite clips into MP3 format, this guide will walk you through the process using VLC, a powerful and free media player. This is perfect for beginner and this tutorial will help you transform your video's content into audio file effortlessly. So let's get started. The first step we will go ahead and we will write on the Google that download VLC Media Player. This will open a VLC website for us. I want to download VLC Media Player for my Windows. Yeah, it's showing downloading VLC, this version for Windows. Let's save it to download. Okay, my VLC Media Player download is completed. Let's go to the download folder, double click on VLC download. Yes, I want to install it. Yes, I want to install it in English language. Let's go and click next, next, again next. Yes, the location is fine. I have required space. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and click on install. Now this will install VLC Media Player into my computer. So please note that this whole process will be totally free to convert your video tracks into audio tracks, or we can say to convert your video tracks into MP3 tracks. Okay, VLC installation is complete. Now that's fine. I wanna run VLC Media Player. Let's go ahead and click on finish. Okay, that's fine. Continue. Let me show you the video that I want to convert it to an audio track. I will use my own video for this demo example. You can convert your own required files. Here is my video I have created for my YouTube channel and I love this music, and let's say I want to convert this video to an audio track. So this is totally free music. VLC Media Player supports all the platform across Mac, Windows and Linux, and it's also totally free. So let's go ahead and start the process. Let's go to media, and here you will find the option convert slash save. You can go to convert slash save by pressing Ctrl plus R button. Once you have opened convert and save option, this open a dialog box for you, and we are ready to select the file here. Let's go to desktop and I have video file here. Let's select this. Okay, now we have selected the source file that we want to convert to an audio or MP3. Let's go ahead and click on convert slash save. Here, first we have to go to profile option, and here we want to choose audio MP3. So let's go ahead and select audio MP3. Now here we have to define the location for our audio. Let's go ahead and select desktop. I want to create a new folder here and I want to name it ITeePK MP3. Let's go ahead and save as type MP3. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save it. Now we perform all the required steps to convert the video file to an audio or MP3 file with our free and open source VLC media player. Let's go ahead and click on start. Once you click on start, you will see the progress into this progress bar at the bottom, and this will convert your video file to an MP3 file. Hopefully the file has been converted. Let's go ahead and close VLC media player. So now let's go ahead and go to destination folder where we have converted our video file to an audio or MP3 file. So here was our video file, and here the audio file that we have converted from video to an audio. Let's go ahead and play this file and see. Yeah, now this is converted to an audio file and I'm not able to see any video here, and I got my MP3 or audio track extracted from the video file successfully by using the free and open source software that is VLC Media Player. So that's it about today's simple, quick and to the point tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.